The song that I'm singing, I wrote it like last week, and then I messaged Lolly, and I was like, I have a little bit of a curveball for you. Are you down for it? And in true Lolly fashion, he said, yes, of course, let's do it. But you have to tell them about your song. So here I am. But this song is called A Mother's Cry, and I had a children's pastor. She used to always say that Christmas is the early Easter. So when we're all in a joyful mood about Christmas, it just reminds me of the grief that Jesus and Joseph and Mary had to go through to get us to this happy season. So this song is basically the moments in Jesus' life that Mary felt grief and the conversations, I think, that she probably had with God during that time.